In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the King Legacy Discord server in just a few simple steps if you're trying to connect with other players, get updates, find guides, or stay up to date with the latest King Legacy news. Joining the official Discord is the best place to start. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click the discovery icon, which is usually used to browse public servers and find communities. This is the easiest way to search for the King Legacy server without needing a direct invite link. Once the discovery page opens, go to the search bar and type King Legacy. After that, wait a moment for Discord to load the results. You should see several different servers listed, but the important part here is to choose the first one with the most members. That is usually the official or most active community, so selecting the server with the highest member count helps make sure you're joining the right place. When you find it, click on that server from the results list. Now, you should be taken to the server preview page. At the top menu, you'll see a button that says Join King Legacy. Go ahead and click that button to enter the server. Discord may ask you to complete a quick verification step or accept the server rules before you get full access, so just follow any prompts that appear on screen. Once that's done, you'll be fully inside the King Legacy Discord server and can start exploring the channels, announcements, chats, and community discussions. That's all there is to it. You've now joined the King Legacy Discord server and can stay connected with the community anytime you want. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.